How to check decibel level on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your iPhone. Once you are in the App Store, navigate to the Search tab. In the search bar, type in decibel meter to find a list of suitable applications. Browse through the search results and select Decibel X app to install. Tap to download and then open it. When you first launch the app, you may need to complete a brief initial setup, such as selecting your preferred language before you can proceed. The app will require access to your iPhone's microphone to measure noise. When the permission pop-up appears, tap Allow to grant access. Once permission is granted, the app will immediately start using the microphone to measure the ambient sound level in your environment. The main interface will display a real-time decibel reading, helping you check the noise level around you. Following these steps, you can check decibel levels on an iPhone.